Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to measure creatine with a scoop using an easy method. First, locate the scoop provided with your creatine supplement. These scoops are typically designed to deliver a standard dose, often around 5 grams. Ensure the creatine powder is loose and not clumped together before scooping. This simple step helps you get a consistent and accurate measurement every time you prepare your dose. To use your scoop correctly, gently fill it with creatine powder until it overflows slightly. Then, take a straight edge, like the back of a knife or a credit card, and level off the excess powder. This ensures you have a precise, level scoop, which is crucial for consistent dosing. Remember, do not press down or pack the powder into the scoop, as this can lead to an inaccurate, higher dose. It's important to understand that while many scoops are designed for a 5-gram serving, sizes can vary between brands. Always check the nutrition facts or serving size instructions on your specific creatine product. This label will clearly state how many grams one level scoop represents. Knowing this ensures you are taking the recommended daily amount, typically 3 to 5 grams, for optimal results and safety. For best results, always store your creatine in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its potency. Once measured, mix your creatine powder thoroughly with water, juice, or your favorite beverage and consume it immediately. This prevents the powder from settling or becoming less effective. Also, for more great deals and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to check the description below for links and other offers. Enjoy your creatine journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.